Hello students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. This video, definition determinant. In mathematics, the determinant is a scalar value. You know vector and scalar. Scalar value means only magnitude only. That is a function of the entries of a square matrix. It must be a square matrix, then only you can find the determinant. It is denoted by, determinant is denoted by this notation, determinant A or det of A. It must be a square matrix, then only you can find the determinant. Next, finding determinants of order 2 cross 2 matrix. Order 2 cross 2, it is a square matrix. Let us assume a 2 cross 2 square matrix. This is given matrix A. This matrix notation A11, A12, A21, A22. Then first you change the notation of determinant. Determinant A, this is determinant notation. Determinant A equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22. Next, determinant A equal to, this is cross multiplication, A11 into A22, this is formula minus. Next, A21 into A12. I repeat once again, determinant A equal to A11 into A22. This you cross multiplication this side. A11 into A22, this is formula minus. Next, A21 into A12. This is the formula, determinant formula, order 2 cross 2. This is very important. Next one, finding determinants for order 3 cross 3 matrix. It is a square matrix. So now we assume that 3 cross 3 square matrix, given matrix A equal to, this is matrix notation, A11, A12, A13. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First you change the determinant notation. This is determinant notation. Determinant A equal to determinant of A11, A12, A13, first row, second row, third row. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Next point, this is very important point. First you put the sign. You start first plus sign. This is plus, A11 above you put plus. Alternative signs you put it. Plus sign, alternative sign minus, next plus, next minus, next plus, next minus, next sign plus, next sign minus, next sign plus. This is very important point. We put first sign. Next, determinant A equal to, you change all are 2 cross 2, order 2 cross 2 matrix, then only you can find the determinant. So A11 value, what is the sign? Plus A11, you skip first row and first column. So remaining what is the remainder? A22, A23, A32, A33. So substitute determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Next, put the sign minus, this is formula minus, what is the value of A12? You skip first row and second column. What is the remaining? A21, A23, A31, A33. You substitute determinant of A21, A23, A31, A33. Next formula, what is the sign? Plus. So plus A13 value. A13, you skip first row and third column. What is the remaining? Remainder was A21, A22, A31, A32. So you substituting determinant of A21, A22, A31, A32. You can expand any row or column and find the determinant. Any row or column you can expand, row wise or column wise. then only we can find the determinant. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button, then only my other videos will come. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. Thank you.